If you have hairline cracks branching out across your drywall from ceiling to floor, simply painting over them or filling them with standard spackle is a guarantee they will return in just a few weeks. Branching cracks are particularly tricky because they spread structural tension in multiple directions across the wall panel. Without the proper technique and right materials, they will continuously reappear through fresh paint. Today, I'm going to show you a professional step-by-step method to permanently eliminate branching drywall cracks without using bulky mesh tape or leaving uneven bumps on your wall. Before touching any tools, always test the drywall panel by applying a light pressure with your hands to ensure there is no active movement or flexing. Once stability is confirmed, the first critical step is surface preparation and cleaning out the crack. Use a stiff putty knife to gently scrape away those loose flaking paint and slightly widen the branching veins. Don't panic if a small chip of a paint or a drywall paper flakes off during this process. That is actually a good thing because it removes weak substrate that will fall later. Once all loose material is removed, sweep out every single branch of the crack with the dry paintbrush to remove trapped dust and debris. Never skip dust removal because primers and repair compounds cannot adhere properly to a dusty surface. Next, apply a deep penetrating acrylic primer directly into the widened crack and chipped areas. This primer penetrates deep into the porous drywall core, locks down the loose dust particles, and ensures maximum adhesion for your filler. Now for the repair compound. Instead of standard drywall joint compound which shrinks and cracks, use a high-strength fiber reinforced repair filler. The integrated microfibers create an interlocking matrix that flex with the natural house movement, making it perfect for multi-directional branching cracks. Application technique is the key. Press the compound laterally from both sides to fully pack the gap, making sure to completely fill any chipped sections as well. Finally, smooth the filler by pulling your putty knife in a single continuous downward motion from ceiling to floor. Once the fiber compound is fully dry, apply a thin finishing coat of fine wall skim compound over the repair area. This second pass is essential to completely feather out the edges and blend the repair seamlessly into the surrounding wall texture. After the finishing coat cures completely, it is time for sanding. Sand the entire repaired section from ceiling to floor using a fine grit sanding block or machine sanding. Apply even light pressure to create a smooth flush transition so you cannot feel where the crack once was when you run your hand over the wall. Once sanding is complete, wipe down the entire wall section using a microfiber cloth attached to extension pole to remove all sanding dust from floor to ceiling. Before applying your top coat paint, you must seal the repaired surface once again. Apply another coat of deep penetrating acrylic primer over all patched and skimmed areas. This primer equalizes surface absorption and prevents the fresh compound from sucking up moisture out of your paint, which causes dull spots and flashing. Once the primer is fully dry, apply 2 coats of finish paint for the perfectly invisible professional repair that will never crack again. I have placed direct links in the video description and top pinned comment below for all those specialty tools and materials used in this project, including fiber reinforced filler, deep penetrating primer, Skim compound, microfiber duster, and all tools you need. Clicking those links automatically redirects you to your local Amazon marketplace to find the closest match available in your country. If you found this drywall repair guide helpful, please hit that like button, leave a comment below with your question or favorite tip, and subscribe to this channel for more practical, real-world DIY tutorials. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Bye!